Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are going to learn some of the groups that are present in View tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have typed maybe 15 or 14 of the names. Well, I have created this small sort of table. The first option that is related to workgroup views. Well, if I may go for page break previews, there is no any page break reviews. So what I have to do, I have to be going for page layout, and over there I can find breaks. So what I have to do, if I want to break my page from any place I want, I have to be clicking there. For example, I have clicked there. I have to go to breaks, insert page breaks. I have broken the page from this place. So now this time let's try to go for views. Make sure to click on page break previews. If I click on that, now the same page which was coming in one page is been divided into 4 parts: page 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is what is something. If you want to make sure that whether or not you are having page break, so you have to be clicking on this option, which is known as page break preview. Page layout, make sure to go back for normal and remove page breaks. Go for page layouts, reset all pages, reset that, go back for view, and over there I can have page layout. Well, page layout is something that the page is showing something like that, in which you are able to be observing the header and the footer that is at the bottom. So if you want to get rid of that, go back for view and make sure to click on normal. Well, let's try to go for formula bar. If I click on that, means uncheck that. So now you can see that no formula bar is there. If similarly you want to click on grid lines option, click on that. Now you can see that all of the grid lines are you can say hidden or checked off. Headings you can say that 1 2 3 or ABC, means row and columns are not showing, means headings are not showing. So let's try to work on custom views. Let's try to make sure to make another subject over there, like I have typed Hindi subject, and let's try to and make sure to type some of the random on or uncertain marks. There is an option which is known as custom views. Well, this is related to something that if you want to have custom views, or if you want to make custom views in which you are free to show any of the amount, any of the row, any of the column you want, you can go and utilize custom views. So let's try to use that. So firstly I have to be going for custom views, add, in which I have to be typing, I may type 1, means number one custom view. Hit OK. And this time I want to make another one. So what I have to do, there are some of the students, or maybe there are some of the colleagues who are not interested in observing or in seeing bio and history. So what I have to do to select these two, make sure to right click of the mouse and go for hide. Now I have hidden that. So let's try to go for custom views. Add. What I have to do, I have to be typing English and Hindi. Hit OK. And this time what I have to do, I have to bring that back by going to unhide option. Now this time I want to hide English and Hindi subject. Right click on that, make sure to click on hide. And now you can see that this time bio and history is available there. Go for custom views, add, and over there I have to type bio and history. Hit OK. So let me bring that back. So what I have to do this time, if I want to show all of the custom views, I have to be going for custom views, and any one of the custom views I have created, any one of them I want, I have to be just clicking on that and showing that. Now you see that just English and Hindi subject is coming there. If you want to go for one in which all of the subjects are observable and go for Hindi and English, you can see that works. So make sure to go back on one and show. Now you can see that all of them are showing there. So let's try to go for a zoom group that is present there. Make sure to go for zoom, and there are some of the percentages that 200%, 100, 75, 50, 25 fit to selection. If I click on that, hit OK, now you can see that gives results something like that. If I go there and click on 200%, now you can see this is zooming that 200%. If I want to go for 100%, that is also zooming something like that. Go for 25, see that works like that. So go for 100% there, which is present beside zoom option. So that will be giving results something like that. Well, this time let me make you understand about the option which is known as zoom to selection. This time I want to observe, I want to zoom it the place I have selected. So I have selected maybe 5 of the rows. I have selected 5 of the rows. Go for zoom to selection. Now you can see that the area I have selected is zoomed. So that is what I have taught you in this small sort of tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.